If you've ever needed to look up a past purchase, download an invoice, or simply check what you ordered on Namecheap, this video is going to help. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find your Namecheap order history in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you manage multiple domains, hosting plans, or extra services, and want a fast way to review everything in one place. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email and password associated with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard where you can access all of your billing and purchase details. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Profile. This section is where Namecheap keeps your account settings, personal information, and billing-related options. After that, select Billing. This will take you to the area where your payment history and order information are stored. Now, on the billing page, look for the Orders section. Next to it, you should see a link that says View All. Click View All to open your full order history. This will show you every order tied to your Namecheap account, making it easy to review past purchases, check dates, and find the exact service or product you need. If you're looking for an invoice or want to confirm a renewal, this is the place to do it. And that's it. You've now found your Namecheap order history. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. And now you can come back to this page anytime you need to review your billing records. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial.